you guys, and welcome to another awesome giveaway. Right here we have our latest winner. Now, no matter what this winner chooses from the item shop, you guys can go on and sign up for whatever you would like, which does include the latest battle pass. Anyways, let's just get started with the gifting. Make sure to watch the entire video for the 3 steps coming right up. So to gift the battle pass, there's several ways to gift it. Usually from the shop, you guys can see it there if you don't have it. But if you already have it, you would have to go into passes, your 3rd tab, well, technically 4th tab. Then from here, you're gonna see gift pass as an option. Then I can just go into my party, take a look at the PG. Then we're gonna send it away. Now this will cost money. It actually doesn't cost V-Bucks. You can only send it by using money. And then once it's sent, I should see that he has it and I can't send it away again. So that's how I can check that he in fact got it. So we can go back, saying sending gift. And as soon as he gets it, he can just wear any of his giveaway skins, which would be anything from the battle pass. So we can see that he got it. So let's just go here, and he owns it, so I cannot send it over again. All right, and then we see DPG with his awesome gift. So let me just cancel that. Congrats for winning. If you guys would like to sign up, make sure to follow these 3 simple steps. Step number 1, go right into item shop right here on Fortnite. On the bottom right hand side, you're gonna see support a creator. So you're just gonna go right into there and type in tech and design. Now keep in mind, it can be all caps or it can be just like you see it right now. Click on done, accept. Step number 2, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Tech and Design. So just hit subscribe. Step number 3, below in the comments area of this video, you're gonna type in, I want to win a free skin battle pass emote back bling. It depends what you guys want to win, just type that in. So in this case, if you're signing up for a free skin, type in what skin you guys want. If you guys want the battle pass, if you're signing up for that, then it's the battle pass. So be specific what you guys want, and in the end, just type in your epic username. And that's because I have to match up your epic username with whatever name you guys are using right here on YouTube. Anyways, that would be it. All you guys have to do is follow those 3 very simple steps and you're all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.